I am also wiring a food truck. As I understand, I need to do the following. I need a breaker box with the main breaker being 30 amps. This hookup to the 220 outlet on the generator, 8000 watts, needs to be #XXXXX wiring. From this main breaker I need to distribute to smaller breakers that run my various appliances. These include small elec, oven, microwave, toaster, coffee maker, hood fan, frig, and lights. How do I determine how to distribute the various load requirements? I understand startup and running watts. What size wiring should I use for these smaller breakers? Does the use of the 220 outlet eliminate the need to use the 110 outlets on the generator? Thanks, Terry 4X.
Hello. My name Isks will help you the best I can. Do you know the wattagesof all the appliances you plan on using? If you give me a list of the wattages of each appliance, then I can give you a rundown on how to wire this up. I am still here waiting for the information needed. It appears you are having trouble getting on here.
Are you there?
Yes. All I see is you stepping in and out.
Okay, think I can be seen now. Typed this 3 times but couldn't send. Fan motor 1/4 of a horsepower, 600 running, 1000 startup, refrig. Minus 600 running, 2200 startup. Microwave 1000 running, 1100 startup, coffee maker 850 running, 0 startup, toaster 1100 running, 0 startup, also small window air conditioner and various lights. These not no. Not all these appliances will be running at the same time.
See it. Give me a minute. Coffee needs to be on its own circuit because you will be using it all the time. Put the lights, fridge and the fan on one together. The AC needs to be solo as well. In order to do some of these things without a lot of problems, you will have to use appliances sparingly, meaning do not use the toaster on the microwave at the same time.
Got you. What size breaker should be used for TIS setups and wire size? Also, how should I set up the microwave and the toaster each on their own breaker?
Since you are feeding it with a 30 amp service, use 15 amp breakers and try 12 gauge wire, overkill. A 15 amp breaker is rated for 1800 watts, but you should never use more than 80% of its calculated load, which is 1440 watts/12 amps. Your AC, if it is 5000 BTUs, should only be about 5 to 6 amps tops. Everything will draw more power on startup, but that is expected. If I can, write all of the wattages/amperages down and sort them out to use 15 amp breakers, and you should be able to balance everything out. The toaster and microwave, you can put them in the same outlet, but don't use them at the same time.
Great, that helps me out immensely. If I need further answers, I'll check back. We'll give you an excellent rating. Thanks for hanging in there while I tried to figure out how to communicate.
No problem. I wire up one of these before. You just have to take the time to equal/balance the loads to the calculated loads the breakers will use. Also, you may want to set it up so that if you go somewhere that you can plug into power, so that you may not have to use your generator. Keep your options open. Know when to use the generator and know when there is adequate power nearby.
How would I set it up to use on-site power?
You just have to get all of your numbers together and do some math.
Just take the plug from the generator and plug into 220?
You will have a cord, I assume, that will come from the trailer to the generator. Get a cord grip outlet and have it on a short piece of SO or SJ cord and have it ready to be wired in any electrical panel. You have a generator. There will be a cord from the truck with a cord and plug.
Got you. Although I doubt that I'll need to do that unless I start catering at parties, etc.
True, but you never know. The one I did for a friend, I had to meet him at Atlanta Motor Speedway to hook it up for him. You never know how far you may expand.
I hear you. Nice talking to you. Have a good day. Terry.
Good luck and God bless.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.